Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl jennysmile. Thank you so much for clicking. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to whiten your teeth in seconds. So these are all what you need. They are in your kitchen. So the first thing that you need a toothbrush and a new one. You need toothpaste. For me, I use Colgate. Anyone is okay. You need a baking soda. You need ginger, and you also need lemon. This is a recipe I found on YouTube and it has really helped me in so many ways. So yeah, if today is your first time of watching, please be sure to click on that subscribe button and let us be family, please. Let's get started. So guys, the first thing you need to do is to cut your organic lemon into two, just like so, like the way I'm doing it, and remove the seed. Yeah, you have to remove the seed, and I squeeze out a little bit of the lemon juice. So guys, the next thing, you need your organic ginger and peel the back just the way I'm doing now. So guys, the next thing, you need a grater. I forgot to mention it earlier on, so you can smash the peeled ginger, yeah, like the way I'm doing now.
You living better, I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gonna have you jealous. I know that I gotta stay away from all you get.
For the baking soda, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So guys, I also added 1 teaspoon of my paste. So guys, when I started mixing, I noticed that the color changed. So like I said earlier, you can use any toothpaste of your choice. It's still the same thing. So guys, after mixing, this is what we got. Now let's move this to the permanent side.
It's your happy day. It's your wedding day. Make we celebrate, oh. Make we celebrate, oh. To make you dance and make you move. Make you dance and make you move. Ibadi elulu, gangan oh. Ibadi elulu, jeje. Ibadi elulu, gangan oh. Ibadi.
Yes, so after brushing, this is how my teeth is looking like. So white and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in my next one. Bye.